And in so emanating that God consciousness, there is light because God is light. But their light is the light of the fifth ray. So you get what you call for, you get what you can visualize, you get what you can understand and know. So if you do not have illumination, you will not have illumined dispensations. Now, having that as part of the affirmation, then, you see, you will become it. And that is the next topic I would like to bring up from a cursory going over of the dispensations for this first pearl of wisdom. I don't see the word I am anywhere in the calls sections. It's always we invoke, we pray, we invoke your presence. And of course, the science of the spoken word book tells us that the heart and the key to the release and precipitation in form is the name I am that I am. So in making these calls and standing up and saying we call for, you are a few steps removed from the precipitation of what you are calling for. Now, if you will look at, all of you who are working on these dispensation sheets, if you will look at the calls that I have made in the various colored sections, taken from Master's Dictations, they will begin with I am, and they will affirm something that is said in that dictation. As I was doing those, because I am a messenger, I went to the very heart of the Master who dictated and elaborated on those affirmations in some cases. But for the most part, you can actually take the I am affirmations at the end of each colored section where it says taken from a dictation by Gabriel and so forth, and you can see the work that I went through to set an example for you so that every dictation you have, you can take the wondrous thought forms, the wondrous requests for prayer that are given, and turn them into I am affirmations. As we are calling for people to be raised up to embody these teachings, as some of these calls say, and as indeed Raphael and Mother Mary asked us to do, at the very same time, making the maximum use of your energy, you can say, I am that I am. I am that I am, that God in me is the fulfillment of that call, and then state what it is that they're asking.